So here we have Xiaomi Redmi 14C. This is what's in the box. A very nice box. Looks like an Apple box. So we get the phone. I already made the setup. Some paper. It should have a manual somewhere inside there, like quick guides, a cable, USB-A and USB-C, and surprisingly a charger with an USB-A jack. Like this, and this goes in the phone. I'm not sure if all the packages contain this charger. From what I've read, there are people saying that they didn't get the charger, and I'm not sure if they add the charger to some boxes especially, or they just have it in all boxes. But in this case I got the charger, so it's nice. And that's pretty much it. This is what you get. Probably you are wondering about the charger and the phone. And this was the Xiaomi Redmi 14C unboxing.